I request you all to kindly settle down fast. Kindly take your seats, everyone.
Kindly remain standing for our college anthem.
Saint Xavier, Saint Xavier's, Saint Xavier's, Saint Xavier's, Saint Xavier's, you lead us on to give of our best until and unto rest. Saint Xavier's, Saint Xavier's, you show the way to find God in all things. Help others find their ways. Saint Xavier's, Saint Xavier's, you steer us on to care for each person, the rich or the poor. Saint Xavier's, Saint Xavier's, you guide us on to overcome obstacles in our way, like edges flowing night and day. Saint Xavier's, Saint Xavier's, you challenge us to be the change we want to see in the world around, to stand strong every day with both feet on the ground. Saint Xavier's, Saint Xavier's, Saint Xavier's. A very warm and cheerful morning to one and all present here. On behalf of Xavier University and St. Xavier's College of Management and Technology, Patna, I, Aditi,
And I, Zion, welcome you all to this much-awaited festival and a grand celebration of
Xavier Annual Youth Festival, ZEST 2025.
Light is a symbol of wisdom and new beginnings. To officially mark the start of ZEST 2025, we now invite our chief guest, Professor Dr. Arun Kamal, our rector, Father Joseph Sebastian, SJ, our respected Vice Chancellor and Principal, Father Dr. Martin Porras, SJ.
I also request Reverend Father Sherry George SG to kindly bring the Holy Lamb from the Sarv Dharm Sambhav Prathanalay, the sanctum sanctorum of our college. इस पवित्र गर्भगृह में हमने श्रीमद् भगवद गीता, पवित्र बाइबल, गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी, पवित्र कुरान जैसे विभिन्न धर्म ग्रंथ हमने अपने देश के संविधान साथ रखे हैं.
As the flame shines bright, may this festival glow with energy, inspiration, and unforgettable memories.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. dignitaries.
Today, the stage is not just a platform. It is a canvas where creativity will paint its brightest colors, where talent will take its flight, and where the spirit of Xavier's will shine the brightest.
Absolutely, Zan. ZEST 2025 is just not an event. It is a celebration of youth, of dreams, of unity, and of boundless energy that defines Xavier University. And what makes it even more special is the presence of our guiding forces, our rector, Father Joseph Sebastian S.J., our respected Vice Chancellor and Principal, Father Dr. Martin Porras S.J., our Registrar and Vice Principal, Father Dr. Sherry George S.J., our Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Arun Kamal, the management, our professors, and of course, the heartbeat of this fest, you, the audience.
Xavier University welcomes you all.
Zion, you know what makes Zest so special?
Yes, the fact that it's not just a festival, but a journey one filled with music, dance, art, innovation, and friendship.
Exactly. Where you're here to perform, compete, cheer, or just vibe with the energy. This festival belongs to each one of us.
So get ready to clap louder, cheer harder, and celebrate more because this is ZEST 2025. But before we dive into ZEST 2025, we seek the blessings of the Almighty and set the tone with grace. Let us now welcome the melodious voices of our very own Xavier Dhwani Club.
presented by our talented Xavier Dance Club.
ओम जय अम्बे विचामुंडे जय भूतापहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमस्तुते जय त्वम्बे विचामुंडे जय भूतापहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमस्तुते जयन्ती मंगलाकाली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा शिवा क्षमा धात्री स्वाहा स्वाहा नमस्ते या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्मै 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 नमो नमः सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते सृष्टिस्थितिविनाशनां शक्तिभूते सनातनी गुणाश्रये गुणमये नारायणी नमस्तुते शरणागतविनम्र परित्राणपरायणे सर्वसाती हरे देवी नारायणी नमस्तुते या देवी सर्वभूतेषु नातिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्मै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्मै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्मै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्मै 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 नमो नमः
What a spectacular performance! Thank you for filling the stage with so much of energy and colors. It is now my privilege to invite the guiding light of our institution, our respected Vice Chancellor and Principal, Father Dr. Martin Porras SJ, to deliver the welcome address. Father, I request you to come on the stage.
Respected Professor Arun Kamal, the chief guest of today's program, respected Father Joseph Sebastian, the rector of this institution, respected Father Dr. Sherry George, the registrar and the vice principal, respected Father Dr. Alphonse Sebastian, the controller of examination, respected Father Alphonse Grasta, the chief finance officer, members of the management, guests, honorable judges, committed staff members, both teaching and non-teaching, dear participants from different educational institutions, and my dear lovable students of Xavier's. Good morning. I stand before you today with immense pride and joy to welcome you all to the celebration of talents, creativity, and culture, Xavier Cultural Fest, fondly known as ZEST. Before we dive into today's festivities of this extraordinary event, I must express my heartfelt gratitude to our distinguished chief guest, Professor Arun Kamal, former HOD, Department of English, Patna University, and a renowned poet and Sahitya Academy Award winner. Sir, your presence here today is an honor, and we are truly privileged to have you with us today. Dear students, give him a great round of applause to our chief guest. ZEST 25 is not just an event, it's a vibrant display of talents and diversity. This year, we have witnessed an overwhelming response, with participants pouring in from different schools and colleges across Patna. It's heartening to see so many young minds eager to showcase their skills, talents, passion for arts. This festival is not just about competition. It is about the spirit of unity and the celebration of our shared love for art, culture, and creativity. It is about breaking barriers, transcending boundaries, and nurturing talents that make each one of us unique. ZEST 25 provides a platform for all of us to come together, share our stories, and inspire each other with our creativity. As we embark on this incredible journey, I want to extend my warmest welcome to all the contestants, artists, performers, judges, friends from the media, and the wonderful audience who have gathered here today. Your presence adds value to this event, and your enthusiasm radiates the energy that is very much needed of this festival. I encourage you to immerse yourself in the magic of ZEST 25, to cheer for our participants, appreciate their hard work, and let their creativity touch your hearts. We believe that every participant today, so let us come together as one family and celebrate the beauty of art, the power of creativity, the strength of unity. Together, we can make ZEST 25 a resounding success and create memories that will last forever. Let the festivities begin. Enjoy ZEST 25 to the fullest, and may it be an unforgettable experience for each one of us. Thank you. Jai Xavier, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Father, for those inspiring words. Words are powerful, but sometimes silence speaks louder.
To present emotions beyond language, we now welcome the Xavier Theatre Club with a captivating mime performance.
कभी सोचा न था ये मिलो दूर होगा साया क्यों खुदा तूने मुझे ऐसा ख्वाब दिखाया जन्म वो तू ही ज़मीं आसमां, ये खबर दिल पे कहीं अब रहता है मगर मेरे दिल में रहती धुन वाली तेरी माँ, मेरे दिल में रहती धुन का वो आंगन कहाँ, दर्पण बता बचपन कहाँ, सपनों का वो आंगन कहाँ, दर्पण बता बचपन कहाँ, सीधा सरल था जीवन जहाँ, दर्पण बता बचपन कहाँ, सपनों का वो आंगन कहाँ, दर्पण बता बचपन कहाँ। भाई से यारी, बहनों से मस्ती, उड़ती पतंगों जैसा था मन, जितने थे रिश्ते सारे थे मन के, उनमें न उलझन ना थी जलन, होती ना थी अनबन जहाँ, दर्पण बता बचपन कहाँ, सीधा सरल था जीवन जहाँ, दर्पण बता बचपन कहाँ, सपनों का वो आंगन कहाँ, दर्पण बता बचपन कहाँ।
And now, with immense pleasure, we invite our chief guest, Professor Dr. Arun Kamal, to step up on the stage. Sir is an Indian poet in modern Hindi literature. Apart from poetry, Professor Kamal has also written criticism and done translations in Hindi. He was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award for Hindi in 1998. He has been a professor in the English department of Patna University. We welcome you, sir.
And now I invite our respected Vice Chancellor and Principal, Father Dr. Martin Porras SJ, to kindly felicitate Professor Dr. Arun Kamal. Father, please.
And I also request Professor Dr. Arun Kamal to share his words of wisdom.
Respected Father Joseph Sebastian S.J., Rector of the Xavier University, respected Father Dr. Martin Porras S.J., Honorable Vice Chancellor, Xavier University, respected Father Dr. Sherry George S.J., Registrar, Xavier University, all the officers, faculty members, friends, and dear students. I am really grateful to the Xavier University for this invitation to Zest. Although it's a festival meant for young people, here being with you, the youth, I am so happy being with you this morning. Being in the company of young people makes me feel young. Although all my hairs on the head are white, grey, but there is no grey hair in my soul. This is what poetry does. This is what art does. This is what culture does to us. It is said that culture is the non-biological development of man. Man evolves and evolves culturally. And every day, every moment, we are a different person with music, painting, dance and poetry. The Xavier University has the distinction of organizing this festival of art and literature, Zest, and I appreciate their efforts. I have been to this place earlier too, but at the time it was not a university. It's such a pleasure going around. It's a beautiful campus. And it provides just the right ambience for art, cultural activities, poetry and dance. Your performances on the stage were really wonderful. And I congratulate all the participants who performed these events. Whenever we think of art and literature, we feel that it is something external to us because it does not pay. It's something that enriches us, something that purifies us. As our students just said, art unites you, culture unites you, poetry and music unites you. And it is this unity that is important today, and it has always been important in the past. And you also know that many of our scientists, scholars, great people, they could not live without art, poetry and music. Einstein, a great scientist, he would spend the first day of the new year all shut up within his study playing violin. He wouldn't meet anybody on the day. He would just play violin. And his favorite writer was Dostoevsky. He would read his novels. Bertrand Russell, the great mathematician and philosopher, his favorite book was Alice in Wonderland. And he would read, he says that I have read this book more than 100 times. Why? Because it enlarges my imagination. And there is something that takes me beyond the mundane, terrestrial, ordinary places. This is what art does. This is what poetry does. This is what literature does. So you may be a student of science, management or technology, but art is very important. And this festival is a great contribution towards making you a full human being. One cannot be a full human being without art. So I congratulate all the participants, all the organizers, all the schools and colleges that are taking part in this Zest. And I wish all the best for them. What is important for us is not to win. What is important is to take part, to make efforts. That is important. And I hope that in the days to come, many of you will evolve as writers and artists of fame. And then we will meet again in this very hall to felicitate you. I am sure, मुझको पूरी उम्मीद है कि आप में से कुछ लोग कल बड़े लेखक, बड़े कलाकार, बड़े गायक बनेंगे और तब हम यहाँ फिर इकट्ठा होंगे आपको सम्मानित करने के लिए, आपका अभिनंदन करने के लिए। आप सब जो अलग अलग विद्यालयों से, महाविद्यालयों से आए हैं, मैं आप सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामना देता हूँ। मैं आपके अभिभावकों को, आपके माता पिता को, आपके शिक्षकों को, सबको मैं बहुत बहुत शुभकामना देता हूँ और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आगे आने वाले दिनों में, वर्षों में ये विश्वविद्यालय ज़ेवियर यूनिवर्सिटी सही अर्थों में यूनिवर्सिटी होगी। वास्तव में यूनिवर्सिटी का जो मूल अर्थ है वो हम सब लोग भूल चुके हैं। अब साइंस की अलग यूनिवर्सिटी, डॉक्टरी की अलग यूनिवर्सिटी ऐसे बन रही है, ऐसा नहीं होता। यूनिवर्सिटी का मतलब है यूनिवर्सल नॉलेज, जहाँ ज्ञान की सभी शाखाएं एक छत के नीचे हो। ऑल द स्ट्रीम्स ऑफ नॉलेज एक्टिव टुगेदर अंडर वन रूफ, उसको यूनिवर्सिटी कहते हैं। मुझको उम्मीद है कि ज़ेवियर यूनिवर्सिटी सही अर्थों में यूनिवर्सिटी होगी और ये ज़ेस्ट तब तक चलेगा जब तक आप लोग अपने बच्चों और उनके बच्चों के साथ यहाँ आकर अभिनंदन करते रहेंगे। आगे के कलाकारों का बहुत बहुत शुभकामना, बहुत बहुत बधाई आप सबको। बहुत बहुत
Thank you, sir, for such inspiring words that will truly guide us in our journey ahead.
Now, I invite Mr. Vikas Kumar, Assistant Professor, Head of Department Mass Communication and member of the Tireless Zest Committee to kindly address the gathering.
Good morning, one and all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you today at the grand celebration of creativity, energy and talent, ZEST 2025, the fifth glorious edition of our annual youth festival here at Xavier University, Patna. ZEST is more than just a festival. It is a vibrant emotion, a dynamic platform, and a grand celebration of you, the youth. Your dreams, your ideas, your courage, your creativity. Today, we stand at the threshold of brilliance, ready to witness a spectacular display, from soulful music to powerful debates, from graceful dance to dazzling fashion, from artistic expression to cinematic storytelling. This stage belongs to you. Before we begin this exciting journey of competitions and performances, it is my privilege to introduce the remarkable team behind ZEST 2025, the dedicated minds who have worked tirelessly to make this event possible. At the helm of this ship, leading us with vision and strength, we have our chairperson, Mr. Mario Martin, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration. Providing us wisdom, mentorship and blessing, our guiding star, our registrar, Father Dr. Sherry George Esche. And now the powerhouse of dedication, creativity and teamwork, our vibrant committee members. Ms. Priya Manish Kumar, Mr. Abhishek Anand, Ms. Priyanka Singh, Dr. Alok Baran, Ms. Priya Gupta, Mr. Tapeshwar Prasad, Ms. Vishal Joshua, and of course, me, Assistant Professor Vikas Kumar, proudly representing the team. Let's give them a huge round of applause. While fun, talent and excitement are the heartbeat of ZEST, every great event needs a fair playbook. So let me quickly walk you through a few simple and lively guidelines. First thing first, ID cards. Yes, that magical plastic cards you often forget at home. It's your golden ticket here. Keep it with you. For team events, remember, no ghost members. All your teammates should be officially registered. Every event has its own rules. Stick to them. Creativity is great, but chaos, not so good. Originality is a key criterion. Any form of plagiarism or unlicensed use of copyrighted material in music, artwork or content will result in disqualification. All participants must adhere to the code of ethics. Any form of misconduct leading abusive language, offensive gestures or any behavior that disrupts the event will result in immediate disqualification. All performances, speeches, and artistic works must be suitable for general audience and free from any offensive language, hate speech, or politically sensitive content. Content promoting violence, discrimination, or any illegal activity will lead to immediate disqualification. Respect your fellow participants, the judges, the volunteers, and the committee members who might keep running around with clipboards and documents in hand. Judge's decision will be the final decision. No arguments, no appeals. Just accept with a smile. In case of tie or dispute, the organizing committee's decision will be final. The use of any dangerous items or flammable substances is strictly prohibited. These guidelines are meant to ensure fair play, safety, and smooth execution of ZEST event. So, my dear participants, today is your day, a day to shine, to express, to challenge, and to celebrate. Don't just compete, create memories. Don't just perform, inspire others. On behalf of the ZEST Committee 2025, I warmly welcome you all once again. Let's make this festival not just successful, but truly unforgettable. Let the stage be your canvas, your talent be your voice, and let ZEST 2025 be the story you'll cherish forever. All the best, and let the game, the music, the laughter, the magic begin. Thank you. Jai Xavier, Jai Bharat.
Sharing such motivating words with us. As the opening ceremony draws to a close, I would like to invite Komal Anand of BBA 1 to deliver the vote of thanks. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. I, Komal Anand of BBA 1E, feel truly privileged to deliver the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Vice Chancellor and Principal, Father Dr. Martin Porras SJ, and our Registrar and Vice Principal, Father Dr. Sherry George SJ. Your constant guidance, encouragement, and faith in us have always been a source of strength and motivation to strive for excellence. We are truly grateful for the gracious presence of our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Arun Kamal, which has elevated the significance of this occasion. We also express our sincere gratitude to all the professors and support staffs whose tireless efforts, support, and dedication have been the backbone in making today's program a remarkable success. Our special thanks to the Dean of Activities, Dr. Rakesh Kumar Pathak, and the Chair, Mr. Mario Martin, and members of ZEST Committee for curating such a vibrant and engaging program with great finesse. I would also like to sincerely acknowledge the stage management team and the decoration team for preparing the stage so beautifully and creating the perfect atmosphere for today's event. A heartfelt thanks is also due to the Department of Mass Communication for capturing each moment of this day so beautifully through photography and videography, ensuring that the memories of this event remain with us forever. I also extend my sincere gratitude to the technical team in the PCR and outside whose support made this event unforgettable. We are equally grateful to our esteemed guests, members of the management, and our wonderful audience for your presence, your warmth, and your enthusiastic participation, which truly added life to this gathering. Last but not the least, a very special word of appreciation for our anchors of the day, Aditi Singh and Zion Samuel, who conducted the program with such grace, charm, and energy, keeping the entire program alive throughout. Once again, from the bottom of my heart, I thank each and every one of you for your presence, your encouragement, and your unwavering support. It is your love and energy that make events like these truly meaningful. Thank you all. Jai Xavier, Jai Bharat.
I have a couple of important announcements to make. I'm going to announce a venue for different events.
ready?
To feel the bass shatter your ribcage.
Are you ready?
To let the sound own your soul.
Are you ready to witness the fiercest clash of sound and spirit? Today, this stage isn't just a stage, it's a battlefield.
Where guitars turn into swords, drums thunder like cannons, and voices become weapons of pure fire.
But remember, this war has no losers, only legends.
So buckle up, turn your energy all the way up, because this is the Battle of Bands. We welcome you to this prestigious event. I am Taranima, and alongside is my distinguished co-host, Astitva. We are honored to introduce the individuals who will determine the destiny of our competitors.
Thank you, Tarunima. Indeed, before the first performance, we shall formally acknowledge the maestros who hold the scorecards, our esteemed panel of judges. First, we introduce a master whose foundation is rooted in formal classical training. He holds a graduate degree in Indian classical music and an 8th grade certification from the London College of Music Examinations.
With over 16 years of professional experience, he is a proven leader in music, co-founder in the band Civil Ridge and founder of Rhythmic Raga. Furthermore, he is a dedicated music educator, the founder of Guitar Central Institution and Recording Studio, and a program delivery manager at Tornis, delivering quality music education to over 280 schools across India.
From film composition to collaboration with artists like Bhumi Trivedi, this is a versatile figure whose influence spans the entire music industry. We welcome Abhishek Raj sir.
And next, we introduce.
Give a huge round of applause for our panel of judges, Abhishek Raj sir.
Guided by the philosophy that the world serves as an institution for miracles. This individual lives to create and continuously improve.
His professional experience is dynamic. A former frontman, a primetime radio jockey at Radio Mirchi, and currently an executive producer with Jano Junction Media. A passionate student of music and martial arts, his aspiration is simply to be remembered as the one who fully committed to his art.
Please extend a massive zest welcome to our second esteemed judge, the one and only Apurv.
May we now invite Father Rector to kindly felicitate Abhishek Raj sir.
Thank you, Father. Thank you, sir. May I now invite Father Dr. Sherry George S.J., our Registrar and Vice Principal, to felicitate our esteemed judge.
Judges, we are honored by your presence. The stage is officially yours. We now commence the competition. Let us welcome our very first contenders.
All right, Kalam Hall, the moment for conversation is over now. The moment of performance is what is now. Excuse me, can we please invite the people we know nothing about? Kicking off this entire sonic showdown is a band here to make a defining first impression. They are prepared to execute their vision with precision. We welcome our very first performers, the incredible Ami Band.
प्रीत की लत मोहे ऐसी लागी हो गई मैं मतवाली बल बल जाऊं अपने पिया को कि मैं जाऊं वारी मर जाऊं, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरी जान के सदके में कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं। तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, ओ जी हाँ जी, हो गई मैं तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी वो रंगीली दीवानी के मैं अलबेली मैं मस्तानी, गाऊं बजाऊं सबको रिझाऊं के मैं दीन धर्म से सब हारी, तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी इश्क जुनू जब हद से बढ़ जाए, इश्क जुनू जब हद से बढ़ जाए, हंसते हंसते आशिक सूली चढ़ जाए, जब इश्क का जादू सर चढ़ कर बोले, इश्क का जादू सर चढ़ कर बोले, खूब लगा लो मेरे रास्ते रब खोले, यही इश्क की मर्जी है, यही रब की मर्जी है, यही इश्क की मर्जी है, यही रब की मर्जी है, तेरे बिन जीना कैसा खुद करती है, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, ओ जी हाँ जी, हो गई तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज एमी बैंड। मेरा नाम आर्यन है और अभी मैं आपको अपने बैंड को से इंट्रोड्यूस कराता हूँ। तो इलेक्ट्रिक गिटार पे हमारे साथ है सागर, कीबोर्ड पे हमारे साथ है सिद्धार्थ और ड्रम्स पे हमारे साथ है हर्ष, बेस पे हमारे साथ है हर्ष एंड द नेक्स्ट सिंगर इज दक्ष। कम ऑन दक्ष। यूं ना नाराज रहो हमसे, कोई तरीका बताओ मनाने की। यूं ना नाराज रहो हमसे, कोई तरीका बताओ मनाने की। हम जान गिरवी रख देंगे, तुम कीमत तो बताओ मुस्कुराने की। थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू। ओके, एक और करते हैं जब तक हमारा ड्रम फिक्स हो रहा है। इरशाद एक बार और प्लीज।
इरशाद।
ओके, तो है खुदा से कहूँ तो दुआ लिख जाता है, कि खुदा से कहूँ तो दुआ लिख जाता है, अंधेरे को भी ख्वाब लिख जाता है। मेरे जज्बात वाकिफ है मेरी जान, प्यार लिखूं तो तेरा नाम लिख जाता है। थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच।
तू पास है मेरे पास है से, मेरा कोई एहसास है जैसे। तू पास है मेरे पास है से, मेरा कोई एहसास है जैसे। हाय मैं मर भी जाऊं जो तुझको ना पाऊं, बातों में तेरी मैं रात बिताऊं। और तो नाम तेरा कर ऐसा रूठा हुआ है सैयारा तू तो बदला नहीं है मौसम कर ऐसा रूठा हुआ है Thank you so much.
ओके सो एवरीवन, अभी अगले गाने की तो अभी अगले गाने की बात है। तो सब कोई रेडी है थोड़ा नशे में डूबने के लिए? ओके गाइस, थोड़ा और जोर से। ओके सो लेट्स गो। ओके सो थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन। अभी अगला गाना सुनते हैं दक्ष की आवाज में।
ख्याली में भी तेरा ही ख्याल है क्यों बिसरना है जरूरी ये सवाल है तेरी नजदीकियों की खुशी बेहिसाब थी इससे में फासले भी तेरे बेमिसाल है तू फासला मिटा तू ख्वाब सा मिला क्यों ख्वाब तोड़ दूं बेख्याली में भी तेरा ही ख्याल है क्यों जुदाई दे रहा तू राजा मलाला Thank you so much guys.
Thank you so much everyone.
Oof. Now I know कि आपने फॉर्म क्यों नहीं भरा. टैलेंट ऐसा होगा तो काफी बिजी रहते होंगे आप लोग.
A truly compelling performance, by the way. That was epic.
Truly marvelous.
My question now is to the audience. आप लोग सब इतने boring है क्या? I mean, no hooting, no singing songs together. What is it? Battle of Bands चल रहा है भैया. This is very wrong. Come on, BCP, give me a loud cheer.
BCA, come on.
Just because BBA or IB are here, does that mean we'll ignore them? No. BBA, come on.
And IB. No one from IB.
JMC competition देगा IB को. Come on, JMC. That is right.
Damn.
Can we have a good hooting competition now?
Let's do it.
On the count of 3, whichever department is being named has to cheer the loudest. Whichever cheers the loudest is the one that wins. Deal?
Deal.
3,
Come on, BCA, come on,
2,
come on. Thank you.
भैया BCA वालों के पास सेंस की कमी शायद होती है. BCA बोला कहाँ था?
BCA बोल चुका.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Come on, BCP. Woo! Yeah.
देख लिए BCP. Very good. BCA, another round. BCA. BBA. BCA और BBA की राइवलरी तो काफी पुरानी है वैसे.
Can we have a good rivalry hoot? Let's team up. BBA and BCA together. BCP, BBIB.
Rest of them together.
Okay, fair enough. BCP, BBIB and BHMC together. BCA and BBA together. Fair enough? 3, 2, 1. BCA and BBA, come on, go for a loud cheer.
That's like it.
That is how Battle of Bands sounds like. ये तब से क्या कर रहे थे आप लोग? Anyway, how shall we begin with now?
Let's let them hoot the remaining 3 departments. उनको मौका मिलना चाहिए. बाहर ही रहे लेकिन परफॉर्म तो कर ले. Come on guys, बाकी तीनों डिपार्टमेंट BCP, IB, JMC. Come on.
BCP, I feel we need justice. JMC, I'll give credit to you and justice. Yeah, can we have again another round of hoot for BMC, IB and BCP? Come on, 3, 2, 1. Cheer guys. And we win.
नंबर्स ऐसे रखो कि सामने वाले को अनफेयर दिखे गाइस.
Not that fair anyway. How shall we begin with now?
Let's ask the audience. आप में से कोई यहाँ पे आके शायरी बोलना चाहेगा जैसा उन्होंने किया?
Come on, come over.
Come on. That's the spirit, my man. That's the spirit. Give a huge round of applause, guys.
Here we have a good shair. Now, can you please introduce yourself with your department and tell people?
तो hey, संजेवियर, right? Okay. तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? अच्छा, यहाँ पे कुछ मतलब स्मोकिंग से रिलेटेड कर सकते हैं?
नहीं.
Okay.
Okay, you, ma'am.
कर सकते हैं. साइड ही बस. Okay. तो यहाँ पे कितनों के दिल टूटे हैं? अगर आप तक मेरी आवाज पहुंच रही तो आप बता सकते हो. सिगरेट जलाकर यूं ही राख कर दी उसने. कि सिगरेट जलाकर यूं ही राख कर दी उसने. पीना नहीं था फिर भी जलाकर खाक कर दी उसने. कि सिगरेट जलाकर यूं ही राख कर दी उसने. पीना नहीं था फिर भी जलाकर खाक कर दी उसने. और बोलती है कि आज भी उतना ही प्यार है पहले जैसा. और बोलती है कि आज भी उतना ही प्यार है पहले जैसा, यही सब बोलते करते मेरी जिंदगी बर्बाद कर दी उसने। और सुना सकता हूँ? हो गया?
Yes, please go ahead. The stage is all yours.
एक ब्रेकअप के बाद कुछ आता है तो अर्ज किया है, अर्ज किया है, गुड। तुम्हारी याद आ रही यार,
Ouch.
वापिस आ जाओ ना। कि तुम्हारी याद आ रही यार, वापिस आ जाओ ना, और वापिस आकर हमेशा के लिए साथ रह जाओ ना। कि तुम्हारी याद आ रही यार, वापिस आ जाओ ना, और वापिस आकर हमेशा के लिए साथ रह जाओ ना। हम एक साथ आगे बढ़े, कुछ ऐसा कर जाओ ना। तुम्हारी याद आ रही यार, वापिस आ जाओ ना, वापिस आ जाओ ना।
Very, very.
और मैं लास्ट करता हूँ, लास्ट। तो इसमें मैं चाहूंगा कि जितने भी लोग हैं एक बार ताली बजा देंगे तो ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा साथ में। शुक्रिया। तो फिर से एक साथ बोलना अर्ज किया है, सॉरी एक साथ बोलना अर्ज किया है।
इरशाद, इरशाद।
अभी भी तुझे सोचकर उदास रहता हूँ, कि अभी भी तुझे सोचकर उदास रहता हूँ। पता नहीं कब तुम्हारे लिए, कब खुद के लिए खास रहता हूँ। कि अभी भी तुझे सोचकर उदास रहता हूँ। पता नहीं कब तुम्हारे लिए, कब खुद के लिए खास रहता हूँ। पता नहीं कब तक तुम्हारे लिए पूरा हूँ। कि पता नहीं कब तक तुम्हारे लिए पूरा हूँ। कब मेरी बर्बादी हो जाए, यार मैं चाहता हूँ कि जल्दी से तुम्हारी शादी हो जाए। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच। सर आपके साथ सब ठीक है ना? चलो, now let's move to the next performance.
As we are here to the next year of serious musical genius, our next band delivers a promise of pure, beautiful sound. Having successfully navigated the challenges of formation, they are ready to demonstrate the power of class and exceptional talent.
Their sound is defined by three elements: adrenaline, dopamine, serotonin. They integrate a mix of hard rock, funk, pop, designed to elevate your pulse. Ladies and gentlemen, Euphonics! Give a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, come on!
Good morning, Xaviers. We are from AIMS Patna. प्यार से हमें यूफोनिक्स कहते हैं. And we are here to make your morning louder than your nights.
Too good, Deva.
And can we relate Inka performance with Honey Singh? Honey Singh fans in the hall, give me a loud cheer. Come on. Shall we do thoda Honey Singh, please? Somebody volunteering or what?
एक minute, एक important announcement. Next band, Nexus. Please set your instruments on the stage while we are enjoying the rap. You can enjoy while setting the instruments too, please.
I repeat, Nexus, kindly come up on stage, check your mics and instruments if they're working properly till we do this vibing raps thing with our audience. Please cooperate. Thank you.
You can enjoy them singing songs for you.
High heels fans, come on, give me a loud cheer. Shall we do
High
it
heels.
together?
High heels, fans. Just one.
Nahi aa raha. Are we ready to rap together, audience? Come on.
That's the Josh. That's the Josh we are looking for.
Right.
You all pick up the verses.
Yeah, please do it. May I begin? On the count of 3, 2, 1. पहली बात तो ये है जो तू टिकटॉक टिकटॉक चलती है. Come on audience. 3, 2, 1 again. पहली बात तो ये है जो तू टिकटॉक टिकटॉक चलती है. माना ये सारी तेरी हाई हील्स की गलती है. रुक तो जा, तू है कौन? कहाँ से आई है, कहाँ को जाएगी? पागल लड़की मुझे बनाएगी. बस कर ये जलवे ना दिखा. ये सब मैं बहुत देख चुका.
Are you prepared for to experience the connection? Nexus means connection, uniting people, music, and energy, drawing inspiration from legends like Dream Theater and Linkin Park. Their name, Nexus, perfectly encapsulates the link between the artist and the audience.
They are here to deliver an unforgettable vibe. Please welcome
Nexus! Nexus, the stage is all yours.
Hello everyone, we are Nexus and we are performing the song Zinda and Now. We have added our own variations in between the song, so let me introduce you to the band. On the keys, we've got Yash and Harsh. On the bass, we've got Shambhavi. On the guitars, we've got Akshit and Thare. I'm Tanisha and on the drums, we've got Prince. So here we go! Together.
जानबूझ के कर रहे हैं ना हमारे साथ ये मजाक. That was enthralling performance by Nexus. तो जैसे इन्होंने डिस्क्राइब किया था खुद को कि डायनामिक फिजिकल परफॉर्मेंस, या we saw that, we all did. How many of you enjoyed Nexus's performance? Give a huge round of applause for Nexus.
A genuinely thrilling performance. काफी नवरात्रि vibes आ रही थी, नहीं?
Now, we have got a surprise for you. We have one of our professors, Mr. Ajay Kumar. Sir, we would like to invite you on stage for a song. Please, come on, sir.
Let us vote for Ajay sir. Come on.
Ajay
3,
sir
2,
को
1.
support करिए. Ajay sir, Ajay sir, Ajay sir, Ajay sir. हमारे हाथ, हमारा माइक बंधा हुआ है.
Let's welcome.
Paranoia.
Yep.
Paranoia. Paranoia, the stage is all yours.
Without wasting any further time, I'll just introduce to our band. We have Divyank on vocals, Yash and Shlok on guitar. We have Utkarsh, our bass guitarist, and we have Kanishk, and we have Pushpak Bhaiya on drums. And मेरा नाम है अभिजीत and we are from Paranoia.
We don't need any words to say how their performance went. Audience was demanding once more, once more, once more.
Genuinely, that was a truly once more performance. Amazing Paranoia.